Welcome to the second session of Soulful Sunday. Breathe right to boost immunity. Hope we all are doing well and working on our health and immunity. The most important part of our story are the beginning and the end. And if we look at the story of our own life, beginning is taking a deep breath in. And the last act, the end, is going to be breathing out. And throughout, whatever else we do or we don't do, we are going to continue breathing. Neither in home nor in school, we have been taught the connection of breath with our emotion, connection of breath with our good health, breath with our learning and memory. And if we can understand and master, practice and master this connection of breath, we can master good health. We can master our emotional well-being and strength. And for the next 1 hour, we will be working on that. Breath is that which keeps us full of life and is the most vital function of our body. Why people are so scared of coronavirus or COVID-19 is because by attacking our lungs, the entire respiratory mechanism is compromised. It hinders the normal functioning of lungs. But with specific yogic breathing, practice and yoga asana, we can increase our lung capacity and ability of the diaphragm to breathe. Diaphragm is a thin but a very powerful muscle just below our lungs and our chest. As the diaphragm is a muscle, it follows the rule of muscle. Use it or lose it. So when we train our diaphragm, when we train our intercostal muscle between the ribs, when we train our ab muscle, then our body can breathe better. These breathing practices are so effective that they will also reduce the feeling of anxiety, stress in the system. There are so many benefits of breathing properly at every level. The physical, mental, emotional, intellectual or spiritual. But most people don't know whether they are breathing correctly or not. Let's find out. Let's sit nice and tall with our shoulder relaxed and down. Take a deep long breath. When we are taking a deep long breath, let's see whether our stomach is coming out or going in. If it's coming out, that means we are breathing properly. If not, no worries. Let's see how we can improve it. So now let's start with few yogic asana and see how we can improve our lung capacity, how we can strengthen our lung and improve the breathing capacity. So let's start with yogic asana with few basic yoga kriyas, which is also known as Sukshma Vyayam, micro exercises. So we will keep our both hands on our knee. Keep your spine straight, shoulder relaxed and down. Take a deep long inhale. Push your chest forward, look towards the ceiling. When we are pushing our chest forward, we are expanding our chest, squeezing our shoulder blade. Exhale, roll your shoulder, chin to chest. Deep inhale, push your chest forward, look toward the ceiling. Exhale, chin to chest. We will do this 5 times. Take a deep long inhale, look toward the ceiling. Feel stretch on the front portion of your chest, on the front part of your neck. Exhale, roll your shoulder, bring your chin to chest. Feel stretch on your upper spine and back of neck. Deep inhale, relax. Now we will do lateral bend. So take a deep long inhale. Keep your right hand on the right side of your mat. Gently push it out. हम बहुत आराम से बाहर की तरफ push करेंगे. We will try to keep our elbow on the floor. Those who are doing on chair, they can gently hold side of your chair. Rest of us, we can keep our hand on the floor, push it out, keep your elbow down. Take your left hand up, look towards the finger which is going up, take a deep, long inhale. Push your hand back, गहरी सांस भरते हुए हाथों को पीछे लेके जाएंगे. When we are taking our hand back, we are creating stretch on our front portion of chest. Our chest is expanded and open. With exhale, slowly bring your hands back to center. Take a deep inhale. With exhale, gently go towards your right side. When we are going towards our right side, we are creating stretch on our intercostal muscle. हम अपनी side body पे stretch को create कर रहे हैं. We will hold it for 2 long inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Take a deep long inhale. Slowly come up. We will repeat same with other side. Left hand keep on the floor, stretch it out, keep your elbow on the floor, take your hand up. Right hand is going up, look towards the finger which is going up. गहरी सांस भरते हुए हाथों को पीछे पुश करेंगे. जब हम हाथों को पीछे पुश कर रहे हैं, we can feel little stretch on our front portion of chest, on our armpit. Feel this stretch. We will hold it for a few seconds. Slowly bring your hand back. Take a deep long inhale. With exhale, we will push it towards our left side. We will hold it for 2 long inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Deep inhale, slowly come back. Relax. We will do the same thing, left and right 3 times each.
We will keep our right hand on the right side of the floor. Push it out. जितना आप बाहर की तरफ push कर सकते हो. Fix your right elbow on the floor. Take your left hand up. गहरी सांस भरेंगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए. Left side push, right side push करेंगे. We will hold. We will try to hold as long as it's comfortable. अगर किसी के लिए 1 second hold करना comfortable है, they will do 1 second. Those who can do for 3 breaths, they will do for 3 breaths. Slowly we will bring our hands to center. Take a deep long inhale and slowly push it out. Push सकते हो. Again we will be holding it for 3 long inhale and exhale. So we will repeat it with other side. We will do it 2 times again. हम 2 बार से दोहराएंगे. So let's do 4 times. 1-2 बार वापस दोहराएंगे दोनों साइड. We will repeat it with both sides.
Now we will move on to other exercise, which is Vipareet Karni. We can also call it spinal twist. Take a deep long inhale. जितनी गहरी सांस आप भर सकते हो, feel that your entire chest area is filled with air. Take your right hand, keep it on your left knee. Bring your left hand behind your back. Look towards your left shoulder. Hold this stretch. इस stretch को hold करेंगे जितनी देर हम कर सके, जितना हम easily कर सकते उतनी देर हम hold करेंगे. We will try to hold it just for 2 breaths. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Gently release your neck. Then slowly bring your body back to center. We will repeat it with other side. So, left hand, keep your left hand on right knee, right hand behind your back. पूरी तरह से पीछे twist करेंगे. Look towards your right hand shoulder. We will hold this stretch. We will feel this stretch on our midsection. गहरी सांस लेंगे और छोड़ेंगे. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Slowly release your neck. Gently bring your body back to center. Again, we will do this 3 times each side. Now we will do another exercise which is seated cat and camel. So we will just keep our hands on our lap. Now we will do few exercises for our chest region to create expansion in our chest to improve our lungs capacity. तो हम कुछ ऐसे सूक्ष्म व्यायाम करेंगे, माइक्रो एक्सरसाइज फॉर आवर चेस्ट हमारे वर्क रीजन के लिए. तो कुछ ऐसे एक्सरसाइज करेंगे जो लोग खड़े होके कर सकते हैं वो खड़े होके करेंगे और जो बैठ के करना चाहते हैं वो बैठ के भी कर सकते हैं. पर हम खड़े होके इनका प्रभाव थोड़ा अच्छा होता है. तो हम अपनी जगह पे खड़े हो जाते हैं. हम अपनी जगह पे सीधे खड़े हो जाएंगे, दोनों पैर पास में. We will stand tall with our spine straight, shoulder relaxed and down. Take your both hands out. दोनों हाथों को सामने की तरफ ले जाएंगे. We can keep it just near our thigh. गहरी सांस भरते हुए दोनों हाथों को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे जितना हम ऊपर लेके जा सकते हैं. And now very gently push it back. Make sure that we are not going back with our spine. हम अपने कमर से पीछे नहीं जाएंगे, केवल हमारा हाथ पीछे की तरफ जाएगा. So take a deep, long inhale. Gently push your hand back. Feel that stretch on the upper section of your chest. अपने चेस्ट के ऊपरी हिस्से पे खिंचाव को महसूस करेंगे. Take a deep, long inhale and exhale. जब तक पॉसिबल है तब तक होल्ड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. So we will try to do 2 deep inhale and exhale. With exhale, slowly bring it back. We will do it 5 times. Take a deep, long inhale. गहरी सांस भरते हुए हाथों को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. रीढ़ की हड्डी पूरी तरह से ऊपर की तरफ खिंची हुई है. हाथों को पीछे पुश करेंगे. We will gently push our hand back. Feel there is an expansion on your upper section of chest. We will hold this stretch. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. With exhale, slowly bring your hands down. We can do 5 to 7 times. Now we will do another set of exercise. We will keep our both hands 45 degree away from our thigh. पैरों से 45 डिग्री बाहर की तरफ रखेंगे. Now we will turn our wrist out. हथेली बाहर की तरफ, हाथ पूरी तरह से स्ट्रेट और खींचे हुए. गहरी सांस भरते हुए हाथों को पीछे लेके जाएंगे. As if we are trying to touch our both hands. हम दोनों हाथों को पीछे लेके जाएंगे जितना आप पीछे खींच सकते हो. Look toward the ceiling. Feel stretch on the mid section of chest. अपने चेस्ट के मध्य भाग पे खिंचाव को महसूस करेंगे. We will take deep inhale and exhale 2 times. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Slowly bring it back. We can do this 5 to 7 times. Now we will take our right hand up. अपने दाएं हाथ को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. बाएं हाथ से दाएं हाथ को होल्ड करेंगे. टेक अ डीप लॉन्ग इनहेल. जितनी गहरी सांस आप भर सकते हो. विथ एक्सहेल gently push your body towards your left side. We will hold it for a second. Deep inhale. Come back to center. We will do this 10 times each side. This helps in increasing length in a side body as well. It works on intercostal muscle. Take a deep long inhale. With exhale, push your body towards left. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. We will do same with other side and we will do 10 times each side. So if you want, you can do 10. एक तरफ से 10 करके फिर दूसरी तरफ से 10 करें, या आप चाहो तो एक बार लेफ्ट और एक बार राइट करो. Now we will do another exercise which is Again for our upper section, we will stretch our both hand, keep little distance between both legs. पैरों के बीच में थोड़ा अंतर रखेंगे, हाथों को बाहर लेके आएंगे, गहरी सांस भरेंगे. Take a deep long inhale. With exhale, we will push it back. We will exhale twice. So exhale, exhale, inhale, center, exhale, exhale, inhale, center. So it will look like this. गहरी सांस भरेंगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए पीछे जाएंगे और 2 बार मुंह से सांस छोड़ेंगे. Exhale, exhale, inhale, center, exhale, exhale, inhale, center. इसे भी हम 10 बार दोहराएंगे. So we can do this 10 times each side. Now we will do few more exercise. Let's sit on our mat. चेस्ट के माइक्रो एक्सरसाइज के बाद जिसमें हमने देखा कि चेस्ट के तीनों रीजन, लोअर रीजन, मिडिल सेक्शन एंड अपर सेक्शन में एक्सपेंशन को हमने फील किया. अब हम 2 और आसन करेंगे. तो ये सारे आसन जो स्वस्थ है वो भी कर सकते हैं और जो आइसोलेशन में है वो भी कर सकते हैं, पर अपने आप को ऑब्जर्व करके. अगर आप थक रहे हो तो बी वेरी जेंटल विथ योरसेल्फ. हम अपने साथ कोई स्ट्रगल नहीं करेंगे कि अगर हम थक रहे हैं, वी आर फीलिंग फैटीग, वी विल नॉट पुट लॉट्स ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन आवर बॉडी. अब हम 2 और क्रियाएं करेंगे जो बहुत सुगम, बहुत इजी है. जितना आप इजीली कर सकते हैं उतना इजीली करें. तो हम अपने साथ कोई हिंसा या कोई जाती नहीं करनी. डू इट वेरी इजीली. Those who are COVID positive or in isolation, so do very gently. Don't do anything which is giving you lots of stress or आपको थका रहा है. Be it very easy. अब हम करेंगे गौमुख आसन. So we are going to do गौमुख आसन. We will sit with our legs wrapped around. My right leg is over my left knee, so my right heel is touching my left hip and my left heel is touching my right hip. जो पैर नीचे है, same हाथ. If my right leg is there, I am taking my right hand and stretch it back. हाथों को interlace करेंगे, look towards the ceiling. We will take deep inhale and exhale for 5 count. 5 बार गहरी सांस भरेंगे और छोड़ेंगे. हो सकता है कुछ लोग हाथों को इंक्रीज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो हम आगे की तरफ नहीं झुकेंगे. जहां तक आपका इजीली, जितनी इजीली आप पकड़ सकते हो या नहीं पकड़ सकते हो, जस्ट कीप इट ऑन योर शोल्डर. सो होल्ड इट. टेक अ डीप लॉन्ग इनहेल एंड एक्सेल फॉर 5 काउंट. इनहेल, एक्सेल 1, inhale, exhale 2, inhale, exhale 3, inhale, exhale 4, inhale, exhale 5. Very gently release your hand. We will do it with other side. हम पैरों को डायरेक्शन चेंज करेंगे. Now my left knee is on top of my राइट नी. और ये जो शेप, ये जो आकृति होती है, इसे गौमुख कहा जाता है. सो वी आर डूइंग गौमुख आसन. My left knee is on top of my right knee. So I'm taking my left hand up. Right hand से पीछे होल्ड करेंगे. We will again do it for 5 long inhale and exhale. So gently look up. Inhale, exhale 1, inhale, exhale 2, inhale, exhale 3, inhale, exhale 4, inhale, exhale 5. Slowly release your hand, release your leg. ये हम 3 से 5 बार आसन में आ जाएंगे. दोनों पैरों को वज्रासन में लेके जाएंगे. बहुत जेंटली दोनों घुटनों के बीच में स्पेस क्रिएट करेंगे. दोनों हाथ राइट हैंड को लेफ्ट शोल्डर वेट पे और लेफ्ट हैंड को राइट शोल्डर वेट पे रखेंगे. वी विल ट्राई टू पुश आवर एल्बो बैक. Try to feel that stretch on the front section of your chest. उत्थान मंडूकासन में हम 5 बार गहरी सांस लेंगे और छोड़ेंगे. Take a deep, long inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale 1. Inhale, exhale 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 5. Very gently release your hand, bring your legs together. We can again do this Utthana Mandukasana 3 to 5 times. तो हम अपने सामर्थ्य के हिसाब से जितनी हमारी बॉडी हमें अलाउ कर रही है उतना हम करेंगे. कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है, किसी भी तरह का स्ट्रेस नहीं लेंगे करते समय. जितना इजीली, जितना सुगमता के साथ, जितनी आसानी से हम कर सकते हैं उतनी आसानी से को इन सारी क्रियाओं का अभ्यास करेंगे. अब हम कुछ ब्रीदिंग क्रियाओं पे जाएंगे. सो लेट्स सिट कंफर्टेबल with a spine straight, shoulder relaxed and down. जो चेयर पे बैठ के करना चाहते हैं वो चेयर पे बैठ के कर सकते हैं. जो कंफर्टेबल है जमीन पे मैट पे करने के लिए हम मैट पे कर सकते हैं. एंड दोज हु वांट टू टेक एनी सपोर्ट, अगर आप अपने स्पाइन को स्ट्रेट रखने के लिए सपोर्ट लेना चाहते हो वॉल का या चेयर का, वो भी आप ले सकते हो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ फ्यू योगिक ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस. कुछ योगिक प्राणायाम के साथ हम अब आरंभ करेंगे. फर्स्ट ब्रीदिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डू टुडे विल इंक्रीज द इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ द स्टमक, द एब्डोमेन मसल, so that you can breathe in more air, more oxygen and more prana. So let's start with the simple yet powerful breathing exercises. During our whole day and night, in fact our whole life, our posture affects our breathing. If we are sitting in front of a computer or we are sitting on chair for a very long time, our shoulders are rounded, our back is hunched like this. Then what happens? It creates lots of pressure on our lungs and heart. So our blood circulation gets hampered and we don't breathe properly. First and the foremost, we should have an open body posture where the shoulders are relaxed and down. Our chest is open. So we are sitting straight and our head and neck is aligned with our spine. So we are not bent forward or we are not taking our neck or pushing it back. For any pranayam or breath work, meditation or dhyan, we need to sit in this posture. We are comfortable for an extended period of time and we are relaxed at the same time. So we can sit in either of Sukhasana, Vajrasana, or those who are practicing yoga for many years, they can also do it in lotus pose or Padmasana. Or we can also do it on sitting on chair, so it could be chair asana or sofa asana. The motive is to keep yourself relaxed and comfortable and your spine straight. So those who want to take any support, they can take support of wall, chair, anything to keep your spine straight. Let's start with the first pranayam, which is known as Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is like Kapal means skull and Bharti means shine. That means what creates shining skull or shining intellect. What we do in this, we take a deep long inhale and we just focus on our outgoing breath. So outgoing breath will be sharp, pulling our belly button, pulling our navel towards our spine. हम एक गहरी सांस भरेंगे, हमारा पूरा ध्यान, हमारा पूरा फोकस हमारे आउटगोइंग ब्रेथ, हमारे एक्सहेलेशन पे होगा. हर एक ब्रेथ के साथ, एक्सहेल के साथ हम अपने बेली बटन को अंदर पुश पुल करेंगे, so that we can feel our belly button is going towards our spine. So it will look like this. Take a deep long inhale and it will be sharp exhale, pulling your belly in towards your spine. we will do this practice. We will do Kapalbhati 3 rounds. Each round will be of 20. 20 एक्सेलेशन का एक राउंड होगा और हर राउंड के बाद, हर राउंड के बीच में हम 2 गहरी सांस लेंगे और छोड़ेंगे. So let's start. So we can keep our hands on chin mudra. Thumb is touching to our index finger. Rest 3 fingers are straight. We can keep this on our knee. Take a deep long inhale. Keep your spine straight, shoulder relaxed and down. We will just be focusing on our belly button. हम अपना सारा ध्यान अपने नाभि पे रखेंगे. So take a deep inhale and we will forcefully exhaling with the sharp exhale, pulling our belly button towards our spine. If you want, you can also keep your one hand on your belly button to feel it's going in and out. So let's start. I'm explaining like this so that those who are doing for the first time or those who are beginner, they can understand it better. We can keep our one hand or one finger on our belly button and we can start doing. Take a deep long inhale. We will do 20 rounds. Exhale. एक्सेल पूरी तरह से एक्सेल करेंगे, कोई बंद नहीं लगाएंगे. गहरी सांस लेंगे और छोड़ेंगे. टेक अ डीप लॉन्ग इनहेल. व्हेन वी आर इनहेलिंग, फील ग्रैटिट्यूड फॉर योर ब्रेथ and very slowly exhale. When we are inhaling, feel that your chest is completely filled with air, your belly is completely filled with air. When we are exhaling, our chest and our diaphragm is dropping down gently. So we will do one more deep inhale and exhale. We will do 3 rounds of Kapalbhati. So those who are practicing for some time or those who are in practice of doing, they can do 60 to 100 or more than that in one go. So for beginner, those who are starting initially in our initial days, जब हम शुरुआत करते हैं किसी चीज का, तो we will do a limited set. और similarly Kapalbhati, जिनको हार्निया है या किसी तरह का हार्ट इश्यू है या हाई बीपी की प्रॉब्लम है, they will do very gently. To those who are having hernia, any sort of a cardiac issue or BP issue, they will do Kapalbhati very gently. So be mindful with your body while we are doing any practice. हम अपने सांसों और अपने शरीर का पूरा ध्यान रखेंगे किसी भी तरह की किसी भी प्रैक्टिस को करने से पहले और प्रैक्टिस के दौरान भी क्या हम महसूस कर रहे हैं, what we are feeling. We need to understand our body. So let's go to another breathing exercise which is called as candle blowing. So हम ऐसा फील करेंगे कि हम केक को ब्लो कर रहे हैं. So we will take a deep long inhale. तो हम जब केक ब्लो करते हैं तो I'm sorry, not blowing cake, candle blow कर रहे हैं. तो we could be 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, कोई भी हमारी एज है. जो कैंडल्स है we will be blowing it out with our breath. So take a deep long inhale. जब हम बहुत गहरी सांस भरते हैं तो it's filled in our chest, it's filled in our stomach, our entire system is filled. So take a deep long inhale. We will exhale from mouth. Feel that you are blowing candle. One more deep inhale. Take one more deep inhale. Blow with your breath and feel that you need to blow out each and every candle. We can do this 5 to 10 times according to our strength. Take a deep long inhale and exhale. Relax your body. Now we can do another yogic pranayama, Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom, which is alternate nostril blocking, or we can also call it नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम. नाड़ी शोधन इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि हमारी दोनों नाड़ियां जो चल हैं, राइट एंड लेफ्ट, एक चंद्र नाड़ी है और एक सूर्य नाड़ी है. हम ऑल्टरनेटली दोनों को इनहेल एक्सहेल करते हैं, स्विच करते हैं एयर को सेंटर से. सो वी आर एक्टिवेटिंग बोथ साइड ऑफ आवर ब्रेन एज वेल एज वी आर ऑल्सो वर्किंग ऑन बोथ साइड ऑफ आवर हेमिस्फीयर. हमारे ब्रेन के दोनों साइड के हेमिस्फीयर पे भी वी आर वर्किंग. So we will hold. We will always start with our left side. So we will hold with our thumb. Or those who can go on a Vishnu Mudra, वो Vishnu Mudra भी कर सकते हैं. So we can hold. So for now, I will just be explaining in a simple manner. Hold with your thumb, right nostril. We will inhale from our left nostril in 4 seconds or 4 counts. So I will start with 4 count. While we are doing, we will not speak or we will not move our body as I am demonstrating. So I am using my hands and I am speaking. So while we are practicing, we are not supposed to speak or we are not supposed to move our body. So just place your right thumb on your right nostril. Take a deep, long inhale with your left nostril. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Exhale with right nostril. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Inhale with right nostril. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Hold. Exhale with left nostril. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. Deep inhale and exhale. This is one round. We can do 10 to 20 at a time and we can do any point of a time. हम दिन में कभी भी कर सकते हैं अनुलोम विलोम. अनुलोम विलोम एक निरापद क्रिया है जिसका कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं है. तो आप जितनी देर करना चाहते हैं आप उतनी देर कर सकते हैं. नाउ वी विल डू अनदर ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज जिसे हम शीतली प्राणायाम कहते हैं. शीतली या शीतकारी. यूजुअली हम जब भी इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं हम हमेशा कहते हैं नाक से सांस लेना, नाक से ही सांस छोड़ना. इस प्राणायाम में हम दांतों को बंद करेंगे, मुंह से सांस लेंगे और नाक से छोड़ेंगे. और जब हम मुंह से सांस लेंगे वी विल फील लिटिल मिल्क सॉर्ट ऑफ इन आवर माउथ. हमें अंदर थोड़ा सा ठंडा सा फील होगा. सो वी विल जस्ट क्लोज आवर टीथ. Inhale with your mouth and exhale with your nose. Let's start. We can do this 5 to 11 times. शीतकारी प्राणायाम को हम 5 से 11 बार कर सकते हैं. इन सारी क्रियाओं को हम आइडल टाइम सुबह का है. जिनके पास समय नहीं है वो दिन में जो भी समय है उस हिसाब से करेंगे. हाँ, जो भी हम योग आसन करते हैं उससे पहले मिनिमम 2 घंटे का गैप रखेंगे खाने का. Let's do small meditation, or we can also call it Yoga Nidra. So we can sit comfortably with our spine straight, shoulder relaxed and down. We can sit in chair. We can do it while sitting on our mat. And if someone wants to do it on their back, we can also lie on our back and do it in Savasana. तो जो नीचे लेट के करना चाहते हैं, you can do that. Lie on your back. Keep your body relaxed, spine erect. Keep distance between both your legs. दोनों हथेली खुली हुई बॉडी के पास में. So there will be a distance between both your legs, little distance between both your hands. Lie on Savasana. We will do a small meditation. Let's see how it flows. grounded meditation. Close your eye, take a deep breath in, feel the breath incoming and outgoing. Take one more deep inhale, feel the incoming breath, feel the exhalation, fully exhale. Observe your whole body from the tip of your head till your toe. Feel your body is relaxing with each and every breath you inhale and exhale. Bring your awareness to the top of your head, to your crown. Feel the flow of energy around your crown. Feel it opening up. Feel the healing golden light of the universe enter through your crown and filling each and every cell in your body. इस दिव्य रोशनी को महसूस करेंगे और इसे अपने सर में, हर एक सेल में ऑब्जर्व होता हुआ फील करेंगे. Feel it going down to your feet, through your spine. This cosmic light code, this pure white light is going down through your spine and reaching to each and every cell of your body, each and every organ of your body. Feel it going deeper and deeper. Down to your feet. Feel it going deep down into the earth, deeper and deeper. Feel yourself spreading your roots into the rich fertile layers of the soil. अपनी जड़ों को फैलता हुआ महसूस करेंगे. Feel the roots spreading far and wide. Feel yourself becoming stable of the ground, firmly and securely. Now feel these roots drawing the earth's energy up to your feet, going to your nerves, to your blood vessels, to each and every organ of your body. going up through your feet towards each and every cell of your body. It's going up to your spine. Feel it spread the nurture and the nutrition from Mother Earth through each and every cell of your body. Feel the glow, the warmth within every cell of your body. अपने पूरे शरीर को ऊर्जावान महसूस करेंगे. This energy is slowly reaching through your spine towards your head. Feel this energy going up through your spine towards your head. The leftover energy from the journey through your body towards your crown and reaching out from your crown towards the universe. Feel the rejuvenated body, mind and spirit. Feel yourself connected to the universal consciousness, at the same time firmly grounded with Mother Earth. Feel the energy flowing in your body, in your heart, in your heartbeat. Just feel this energy with yourself. Feel the life force connected with the universal consciousness and at the same time firmly grounded and connected with Mother Earth. Enjoy this energy, this silence. Feel your body is energized, mind is calm and at peace. Let's bring our awareness to our body. Become aware of your whole body and your breath. This is the precious gift given to you by nature. Honor and respect your own body and breath. Slowly take a turn. लेफ्ट करवट लेटेंगे. Keep your eyes closed and very gently you will sit. If we are doing this while lying down, we will sit with our spine straight, shoulder relaxed and down. हमें आँख खोलने की कोई जल्दी नहीं है. Feel your entire body and breath. अपने पूरे शरीर को ऑब्जर्व करेंगे, महसूस करेंगे. गहरी सांस लेंगे और छोड़ेंगे. So we will take few deep long inhale and exhale. Pranab Uchcharan, Om chanting करेंगे. Om chanting is one of the best breathing exercises. It really helps in strengthening our lungs. It helps in improving our breathing capacity. It helps in improving our diaphragm strength, our chest strength. So let's start with Om. So Om chant करने से पहले हम हमेशा गहरी सांस लेंगे. Take a deep long inhale. और जब हम chant करेंगे we will exhale. जब हम pronounce करेंगे Om, we will always exhale by that time. Om is again divided into 3 letters: A, U, Ma. We'll start with our belly, chest, neck and skull. So A is the sound which when we will be focusing on our belly. U is the sound when we will be focusing on our chest area. Ma, which is the humming sound, we will be focusing on our neck till skull. There will be a gentle vibration which we will be feeling on this region. इस region पे हमें gentle सा vibration feel होगा. So take a long deep inhale. One more deep long inhale. एक और गहरी सांस करेंगे. Inhale, exhale, relax your body. ओम का उच्चारण हम 3 से 13 बार कर सकते हैं. ओम का उच्चारण आप दिन में 2 से 3 बार जब भी आपको समय मिले आप कर सकते हैं. इसी के साथ अब हम अपने इस सेशन को एंड करने से पहले एक छोटा सा शांति मंत्र करेंगे. सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन टू ब्रिंग योर हैंड्स इन प्रेयर पोजिशन. अपने हाथों को प्रेयर पोजिशन पे लेके आएंगे. कीप योर हैंड जस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर चेस्ट. क्लोज योर आईज. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु. मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Thank you everyone.